Hello everybody, how are you doing? I thought today I want to show you how I make my coffee at home and how I save lots of money. This is my espresso machine. I had it for 5 years already, and I like to use the decaffeinated organic espresso coffee. You can use normal coffee for normal espresso coffee that's got different levels of strength, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or different brands. I just use this one because I don't use caffeine. And then I also use this one, the bigger one, that actually is meant for 2 cups, but I use the big cup. So you need to clean you need to clean this every time through here, and mine is due for clean, and that is why I use the big one, but you can use the smaller one for 1 cup. Okay, and this is where you're going to purge the milk, froth the milk, and this is where I'm going to put it in. So you just watch my video. I put the water in here. I like to use filtered water, but the machine is going to filter it by itself. And yes, this is what I use basically every day. And this is my size milk jug. So you can just watch me. So I enjoy it, and I made these last night. These are cream mixed with some cocoa, normal cupcakes, and this is some cinnamon. You can add some cocoa if you like, or you can even add the coffee flavored caramel, whatever you like, but I just drink it without my sugar.